This very video, we are going to talk about how to install your TronLink extension on your Google Chrome. The first thing you will need to do is to go to Google and type in TronLink. Once you type in TronLink, you're going to be given multiple options. And for example, if I come into tronlink.org, I'm going to read a little bit what is TronLink, how to install TronLink, and then TronLink is available for Android devices. It's also available on iOS devices, and it's also available on Google Chrome as an extension. All right, so these are the very few options available for you. So in this case, we are using Google Chrome, so we are going to choose the Google Chrome option. On the next page, you'll be prompted with this very page. You just click on Add to Chrome and validate the notification and click Add Extension. You wait patiently while it gets downloaded, and in this process everything is done automatically. You have absolutely nothing to do but to wait. Alright, the extension has been successfully installed, and once installed you will see it appear in this very box. Now if it disappears, like in this case, just click on this button that says extensions, and there you can click on this pin to make it always visible. Now when you open it, you simply need to click on this icon. Remember, always take a look at this icon, this purple icon here, and then the first thing you'll be prompted to do is to select or create a password. So you create a password that you will not forget, that you'll always remember. Here I say TronLink is using cookies. Do you agree? Just say okay, I do, and that's all. Since it is your very first time, you click in the first option that will prompt you to create an address. Okay, so you click on this create address and it will ask you to put a name. In our case, we are going to use tutorial to name the address. Now TronLink is a wallet, and inside the wallet you can have multiple addresses. So in this case, we have an address, and every address is backed up by a seed phrase, and these phrases are written in this order from left to right: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So what you'll be required to do is to write these letters, these words down for easy recovery. This 12-word seed will help you to recover your wallet in case of any device change, or if you accidentally delete your Chrome extension. And you can also use this to export it into your mobile device. So you are now prompted to select the words in the same order in which they appear. Remember, we're counting from left to right for 12 words. So we have backed up this word somewhere. So we are going to just click in at the same order in which it was. And so we're going to move it in a little bit faster. Now if you make any mistake here, for example, and you choose the wrong order of words, it's going to tell you sorry, it's not correct. So if the order of words is not correct, your wallet creation will fail, and when your wallet creation fails, you have to just start all over. All right, so don't worry, because there is no risk so far. The only thing you need to keep in mind is that these keywords is constituted of 12 words, is called a mnemonic, should not be shared with anybody, because anyone who has these keywords has access to your wallet. All right, so this is how to create a Tron wallet. This is the first thing you need to be able to do.